Yo, what's up guys? My name is Supermod aka the Zoom Machine guys. Welcome to the Zoom Machine Travel guys. Today we're unboxing a Sony ZV-E10. I don't know what you call it, but it's a weird name, a cool name also. But we're gonna be unboxing that. But if you like what you see in the content guys, please do subscribe to our channel and give a like and leave those comments below and tell us what you think about this camera we're unboxing guys, even though it has a weird name. You know? Anyway, you see it from the title guys. Yeah. Anyway, let's get this video started. Kaboom!
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Yo guys, so today guys we unboxing the Sony ZV-E10. I got the box guys. I got the box. I got the box. Got the box. I got the box. Got the box. I got the box.
I got a jar of that.
ZV-E10 guys, you can see here, and there's many things written under here, and I think things are moving here. Without wasting any time guys, please double check what's inside the box so we can see what we are having, you know. And also I got my scissors, you know. Scissors are just to open the plastic thing. There's a plastic thing protector here. I'm just cutting it open right now. You don't see it, but there it is. I'm just ripping it off now. It's open now. The warranty seal is broken, and yeah, boom. Yeah, we got the plastic out now, and guys, we're unsealing the baby guys, you know. First time being unsealed. Okay, maybe not the first time. First time I unsealed it.
What are you doing?
I can't open it.
Eventually.
Okay, I ripped off the box. It's fine. It happens, you know. And unboxing time. Okay, cool. Okay, first thing. I don't know what I'm gonna get here. First time unboxing a camera. It's my first camera, guys. First thing you got manuals and stuff. All of that in random languages and English and stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna use them or not, but I'm gonna have to keep them safe, you know? Yeah, and more manuals and stuff, and more ZV-E10 thingies and stuff. I don't know how to call them, warranty and manuals. I don't know. I just see many papers in front of me. Another one. They all have the same thing, and they all look different. Okay, this one looks like a warranty thing. This one, with the code. But anyway, don't steal my code. I know where you live. After that, the box has a bit of written stuff on top of it. I have not written it. I have not read it, but please read the guide and blah blah supply. Okay, cool. We have a cable here. This cable, guys, this cable is not user friendly. This is not a South African cable, guys. First thing of that, this is not a South African cable. So yeah, I'm angry, but it's for a twin plug. I think I do have one of these twin plugs, but this is not a South African cable, so I have to get an adapter whenever I can. Wait, never mind. No, never mind. There's another cable with the adapter, but it's not a South African also. It's I think this one is it Australian or English? You guys tell me. I don't know if it's Australian or English, but you guys tell me this one. I don't know. It's not South African, that's what I know. Okay, let's get another cable. This is South African. Yeah, okay, we got a cable adapter for charging something. And okay, let's finish with the cables first before we even get into any material. Okay, good. We got we call it Type C to USB, guys. Type C to USB. There it is, guys. I hope you can see it. Boom, and also we got a belt. You got a belt. Spanky runners. We unlock it when we need to unlock it. Let me just unzip it now. Getting the belt out of here, and also it's a bit stubborn. Yeah, that's the belt, guys, for the camera. It has Sony somewhere. Oh, does it not have Sony somewhere? I don't know what it has, but it's weird. Anyway, this is the thing for the camera, and it has I think a Sony logo somewhere. Somehow, yeah, there it is, Sony. There it is. There's a Sony thing. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna figure out how to connect that. And also, now we are looking at the back. So we got a battery here. Oh no, this is not a battery. This is a. What the heck is this? It looks like an adapter because it has a twin plug thing for the plug and also a USB thing at the edge here. So I don't know what's going on here. I'm gonna put it on the side, guys. This is it. First thing I have, and I almost dropped it. And number two, what we have here is the battery. This is the battery now. Yeah, this is the battery, guys. First time I'm seeing a battery here. It says info lithium battery. I don't know if this is an original battery or not. Yeah, I don't know. My first time, I don't know. I've never had this thing. So second thing from the white box and also from the small packaging. This is the packaging that comes on the box now. Oh gosh, there's a lot of things here. Oh, this is the mic. I just found the mic, you guys. This is gonna be a long unboxing. Anyway, boom, there is the mic. I don't know how it works, but this is the mic. And it has the thingy here, and you can connect on the top of the camera. But this is the mic, guys. It has the cat, I don't know what they call the fair and stuff. But this is it. I don't know. I'm just gonna figure out how to connect that working. Okay. After that, my eyes are a bit red. I don't know why they are like. Anyway, it's Saturday. It's a weekend, and also I think next now it's the camera, which is a bit delicate. You know, I put the box on the side here. I don't want to break anything. Yes, it is the camera now, guys. Yeah. Okay, first thing I can see, guys, it's a flippy screen, flippy, you know, the usual. You can close it like this. That's the camera ZV-E blah 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 thingy. Number two is that this thing can be connected here, and I'm just figuring out how to connect it, but I think you just push it here. Boom, it's connected. I'm still gonna figure out everything. Yeah, it is connected, guys. And number two, there's a protector here on the camera. And also, let me spin the screen on the side here. And also, what else is here? Oh, I can turn it on, which does not light. That means the camera is empty or doesn't have a battery. Oh, it does not have a battery. I don't see where the memory card goes. Oh, the memory card goes in here, but I didn't get a memory card for it. Luckily, I bought a separate memory card for myself. There it is. This is a separate memory card I bought. It wasn't part of this package of the camera. But this is the camera you can see, guys. There it is, guys. And let's remove the protector. Show you the lens and stuff. Right here, this is a ZV-E10, guys. It's a very good camera. It's a 4K camera from what those people said, and it looks nice. And also, I can zoom, I think. Can I zoom? Can't remember. I think you charge it from directly the camera because I didn't get any other material that's other than this one. So we have a battery here. This is my first time connecting it. I'm hoping it's not empty. Okay, we connected the battery and we're just locking it in here. Okay, we locked it, and now let's turn on. Okay, cool. The first thing is that let's look what it has. Okay, first thing, let's look at the camera, what it has. I will turn it off a bit. I'm gonna charge it and open it again. So this is the camera. As you can see at the top, it has a mic here, and this has this lens. This is a removable lens, by the way, and I'm just trying to figure out how to remove it. It has all of these attachment thing here at the bottom where you can connect it to anything, and also let's check out the side here. What attachment does it come with? So it has a mic slot here, that I can connect a mic here on the side. So one mic slot. Side, it has a type HDMI, small HDMI, and also a type C connector here. So since it has a type C connector, I'm gonna connect it and just check out how it does or what happens to it, because there's only two things. Otherwise, it has a display buttons and all of the buttons and touchscreen, everything here, and also this setting camera. I don't know what it does. I think it does just for the modes and stuff. And also this one to change if it's for video. You can see, guys, this one to change if it's for video or pictures, and this one's for recording videos, and also this one's for taking pictures. This one's for focus, guys. This one's for the focus thingy. Yeah, this is our first unboxing, guys. We're gonna sit down and review the whole camera, guys. Just know that. But for now, let's connect I have a type C for the keyboard here. I just want to see if I connect it, will it work? And my keyboard is off now. Okay, it says battery exhausted. So I mean, they gave me a camera with the empty battery. Why? I did suspect something like that. Anyway, but it's lighting up here. As you can see, guys, it's charging the camera. Unfortunately, I did turn it on, so it won't turn on like it's supposed to do. But we got the camera working right now. It's connected to everything, and while it's connected, this one I think is just for the connection to the socket, then socket to the camera, because I think you charge directly inside the camera. You don't charge the battery outside of the camera. So yeah, there it is. I'm still gonna connect the cable, the thing, you know. And also, we may close the lens a bit right now while you're charging it. Then let's talk about the specs, guys. Yeah. So if you talk about the specs, I'm gonna show you this. So guys, this is a special that I got the camera on. It's $999. You can translate in your own currency how much it is. Usually it's 14K, so it's a bit like 4,000 rand cheaper. And the specs that you have, guys, it's easy. I can even show you here what it does and all of that. I don't have the thing that holds the camera, but it's okay. I'll get a gimbal for the camera, you know. I don't have the holder here, but it's okay. I'll get something for it. But the most important thing is that all of these specs, they take about live streaming, setup, easy, handhold, session, like 125 minutes. All of these things are direct, and also they're showing you how to charge the camera here. As you can see, like I said, you don't need to charge the camera the battery outside. You need to charge the battery within the camera itself, and you can connect it directly to a socket and to that adapter, meaning this adapter, and charge it directly to the camera. And also, this is how it looks like when you're connecting with the image, edge, desktop. I still gonna get all of this enhanced image stabilization, editing, all of that things that are part of it. 4K, and oh guys, it's not 4K, it's 6K cropped 4K, so just know it's like that. And what else is here? Basically, I'm not reading whatever I'm showing you here, but this is what they're talking about here. Easy background blur, you can blur a background and just show your FLs. This is what sold me, because I like vlogging, you know. I can put it on my, not even a tripod, I can put it on like a selfie stick here and just vlog on it, because they say it's good, the stabilization is good, and natural skin tone, all of that rubbish. Not rubbish for me, but other rubbish for other people, because who want to know about this thing. Also, the mic, I think they say it's decent, but the thing about, but anyway, this all the things they give you when you want to see all of the things. But the most important things, guys, you have to know that this is 24.2 megapixel camera, and also this is the ISO that it has, guys. I'm not gonna read all of it, but you can see here. This is what it has. It auto ISO from 100 to 64, and these are the limits it has, low and upper limits, all of that. They give you a battery life approximately. This is what it can do, 440 shots. I don't know if it makes any sense, because I'm not a camera person. This is my first camera I'm buying, like besides the other one I was using while we were sharing it. These are all the things that I have. And also 4K, as I said, it's cropped from 6K to 4K, and all of these, and so 24 pixels, yeah, 24, not 24 pixels, but yeah, you know what I mean. 24 FPS, is that FPS? I think so. I can't remember now. Anyway, these are all the things I'm talking about. So let's go to the description of Take a Lot now. So 24 megapixels camera and ultra HD camera, you know, 4K 30p, as you can see, full HD 120p video. This one is the most important thing, you know. So your slow motion, you can have good slow motion with this camera, if you want to enjoy it, and up to 11 FPS shooting. What's going on here? Yeah. And this is the ISO that it has, 100 to 32,000 and real-time IAF and tracking, basically auto tracking, yeah, autofocus and tracking, background defocus and face priority, all of those things. About perfect for vlogging, and that's what I'm getting it for, guys. You know, I'm getting it for vlogging and stuff like that. Micro facility. Okay, I'm not gonna read all of that, but what's in the box, as I showed you guys, is the camera itself. There's nothing else it comes with. A rechargeable battery, body, adapter, yeah, all of those things they come with it. And the warranty is 24 months, which is a bit sad for a camera, but 24 months, I guess it's okay. And there's no flash. It doesn't come with a flash to do that thing here. And SD card, I didn't say any SD card, guys. It didn't say it brings the SD card here. So if you're buying this one from Take a Lot, please buy your own separate SD card here. As I got here I got a 256 gig SD card that has 160 ms read speed. So that means that we can read and write very fast on this micro SD card that I bought, and we can adapt it to this big card so that you can use it on the camera, on any camera, to this one. Yeah, that's what we had today for our unboxing. I'm not gonna go through the comments, but it's a very good camera. Just know that everyone loves it, and they recommend something here, but I got something better than that. yeah, anyway guys, this is the camera and it has all of this info and all of these you see, like they're showing you here what ports it has and all of that, and like I showed you guys already what it has, and also it's just showing you what exactly I showed you. Yeah, right now we're trying to turn it on. Let's see if it can turn on. Guys, we have turned on the camera and I'm out of here. Yeah, there it is. It's on. It says English, and I think it's just for setting up. And if you click English, okay, USB mode is activated on this camera, and I don't know why. Let's go to playback mode, guys. Playback mode, and boom. Okay, there's no memory card, so it's complaining about that now. But it's working, guys. It's saying no memory card. As you can see here, it's connected. So I'm gonna connect the memory card quickly. Give me a second. Boom, we got the thing out, and we got the 256 card out. I'm just gonna connect it now. I don't know if I need to lock it. I'm not gonna lock it right now. So I got the card here. I don't know why the focus is not looking right. I know I'm sweaty. Here's the card, and let's connect it. Boom, guys, there it is. It can record. It's recording things now, and the camera is working now, guys. You can take pictures of myself, and let me take a picture, guys. Image database due to please preparing a database file. Okay, cool. I think it's gonna prepare to format the card because it's the first time it's using the card, and I wanted to show you something. But anyway, this is how we got, guys. This is our unboxing, guys. We have got our card sorted, and now it's doing the weird thing where it's formatting itself or preparing the card for the device. I'm hoping everything's gonna go well. But this is how it is, guys. This is how we unboxing, guys. If you want me to go elaborate more on the camera, guys, please do leave the comments below. We might do other videos on the camera, just what we learned and what we know about it. But yeah, we have unboxed it. We have showed you what it has, and also have showed you what things it comes with, and also we're gonna test all of those things on our next video, you know, when we do the proper things on the camera. And that is, my name is Zoom Machine, guys, and I have unboxed and done the camera stuff. I'll continue to take up the camera on my own time, guys, but please do subscribe to the channel, give a like, you know, leave those comments below, and also I'll leave the special thing for Take A Lot. Yeah, and also Take A Lot, please do subscribe to me. But subscribe to me, guys, and sponsor me, guys. I've been showing your products too much. Alright, this is the machine. Take out, guys. Just have fun, enjoy your day, and you know, I'll see you guys when I'm out about or else unboxing things and giving you kind of tips. Otherwise, I'm out of here. Have fun. Just goodbye. Boom.